Hello and welcome to this short video presentation of CommuniGator's integration with Microsoft Dynamics CRM version 4. In this video we'll cover firstly the interaction between CommuniGator and the Microsoft Marketing Campaign functionality in CRM, allowing the seamless transfer of data from the CRM application to your email marketing campaign. We'll cover the use of the CommuniGator application from within the CRM window and the end user experience of that. And finally, we'll take a look at the campaign activity data that is written back by CommuniGator to the individual contact record inside of CRM. The first thing for us to look at is how we go about creating an email marketing campaign from within Microsoft Dynamics CRM. CommuniGator interacts with the standard campaign functionality and responds to the generation of a campaign activity within Microsoft. So I have here a campaign for my email newsletters, and I'm now going to generate a new campaign activity for that campaign, which I'm going to call my December 2009 newsletter. The description I place in the subject line box within CRM is the campaign description that will be applied within CommuniGator. So here's where I enter my December 2009 newsletter. And I also then to select a channel. You'll notice at the bottom of the channel menu we've added an option now for CommuniGator as a part of the integration, and I can select that here. I'm then going to save and close. I already have a target marketing list applied to this at the campaign level, so I didn't need to attach contacts in this case, so I can now save and close my campaign. I'm now going to enter the CommuniGator application, where we should see this campaign data come across into CommuniGator. Onto the Tools menu, I'm going to select Integration Admin. Once in the Integration Admin view, I can now see the current status of the data transfer between CommuniGator and Microsoft Dynamics. As we take a look here, we can see first of all the system looking for new field mappings and changes in the database structure. And then when we've cycled through the first of these few options, we'll see the system search for the new campaign and our December newsletter campaign be found and imported across. I can now see my one new campaign is found, which is my December 2009 newsletter. The system now will create a campaign header for this inside of CommuniGator, including all of the default info for sending address, campaign type, that we then need to just attach our email, any landing zones or surveys, do our inbox and spam score checking, and send ourselves a test before we can initiate our campaign. While we're in this view, it's worth mentioning at the bottom of the screen here I can now see my CRM data feed. This is where we're recording all of the information that is currently being sent back to CRM as a result of sending an email campaign. So it may be at any point in time there's some of this info that we do not require. For example, at this moment in time, we're not recording back that the email has been sent. Once I can see the integration has cycled through once as it has, I can now come back to my campaign menu inside of CommuniGator. And here now I can see my December 2009 newsletter ready for me to attach my email before initiating my campaign. Hopefully you've now also had an opportunity to see how we embed the CommuniGator application within CRM. This gives the end user the experience that they're still using one application without having to switch constantly between two windows. All of my CommuniGator functionality is available and viewable within here, so I can check my campaign results, I can build new emails, I can access my campaign data, and I can create my surveys and do my CommuniGator reporting all from within CRM. The final thing for us to look at is the data that's passed back into Microsoft CRM and where that data is placed in the contact record. So I'm now going to leave CommuniGator. I'm going to come back to my sales area in CRM and view my contacts. And I'm just going to look up the record for the contact Laura Simons. Now Laura Simons has been sent a seminar invite campaign outside of CommuniGator that was generated from within Microsoft CRM. and we can start to look at the history of where we're writing back the activities as a result of that. Here's my standard contact record view inside Microsoft for Laura Simons, and you'll now see on the left hand side under details I have an option to display the CommuniGator history. I click now on the CommuniGator history, and this gives me a summary of all of the CommuniGator email campaigns that this contact has been sent. So in this case, just the seminar invite for December 09. If I were to now go a level deeper and open up the campaign for the December seminar invite, we can now see I have a concept of CommuniGator events, and within here I can see all of the actions that occurred in that campaign for this particular contact. So in this case we had some landing zone hits and some visits to the CommuniGator website. If I expand the view, we can see this contact viewed the agenda and the sign up page. The sign up page was actually viewed twice. They looked at the website for the seminar venue as well as our home page, and it also looks like they downloaded a white paper to teach yourself email marketing. All of these activities are then fully searchable using the advanced find functionality within CRM, so we can start to do some clever segmentation based on the email campaign activities that we're writing back from CommuniGator. That concludes this short video presentation of our Microsoft Dynamics integration. If you have not yet viewed the online demo of the full functionality of the CommuniGator email marketing platform, this is available on our website at www.communigator.co.uk.